Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube Shorts using CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and tap a new project. Here, import your video clips that you want to turn into a YouTube Shorts. Then, set aspect ratio. Tap Format, and from the bottom menu, select 9:16 since short must be vertical. Then here you can drag the playhead to the parts that you want to cut. Tap Split to remove extra footage and keep only the highlights. Keep it under 60 seconds for YouTube Shorts. And you can also add text and just click text and click add text to write titles or captions. You can also use auto captions to generate subtitles automatically. Then you can also add music or sounds to add a background music. You can also extract sound from another video or record your own voiceover. You can also use effects to add filters and overlays and transitions to make your videos smoother. And once you're done and happy with the result, you can tap export button at the top and choose 1:80p or 4K to make sure that the frame rate is at least 30 FPS and save it to your phone and it's ready to upload in your YouTube Shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!